If you have $10,000 sitting in a savings account right now, I have bad news for you. You are losing money. Every single day, while you sleep, inflation is stealing your purchasing power. They say cash is king. But in 2026, that is a lie. Cash is trash. Today, I will show you where the smart money actually goes. Here is the math. The average bank pays you maybe 0.5% interest per year. But inflation eats your money at a rate of 3 to 4%. This means by keeping money in the bank, you are guaranteed to become poorer. You need a vehicle that moves faster than inflation. Investing sounds scary, right? Wall Street charts, shouting men in suits, forget that. The most powerful tool for wealth is actually boring. It's called the S&P 500. Imagine buying a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla all at once. That is what an index fund does. If one company fails, the others pull you up. Historically, the stock market returns about 10% per year on average over the long run. Let's compare. If you leave $10,000 in the bank for 20 years, it barely grows. If you invest that same $10,000 in the S&P 500 with compound interest, it could turn into nearly $70,000. That is the cost of being afraid. So, how do you start? You don't need a broker on the phone. You just need an app and a ticker symbol. Look for ETFs like VU or SPY. These funds track the top 500 US companies with very low fees. Start with $50. Be consistent. Your future self will thank you. Remember, this is not financial advice, just education. But staying poor is a choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.